want to share with you one of my most favorite travel hack items that I carry with me everywhere I go, whether I'm on a road trip or I'm flying, and it's this nifty little teapot. Now, I don't drink coffee, and I don't use the coffee machines in the rooms because they give you coffee tea. So you just take this little device, plug it in, turn it on, and voila, you'll have tea. In just no time at all, you get boiling water. So even if you wanted to make ramen noodles or something else, whether you're traveling in a van or you're living in a college dorm, this is a really great little gizmo. And then when you're done with it, it does have a little automatic shut off, but you have to be careful because it'll shut off, and then once you pour the water out, it will kick back on. So you want to make sure when it shuts off that you shut the button off too. So then when you're all done with it, you just fold her back up, put her in your suitcase, tuck it away in your van, wherever you're at, and you're good to go. Great little gadget. Just my opinion.